hybridization is sp.
sp. I mean, there are 4 carbon atoms. Let me mark it for you. First, second, third, fourth. Please tell me hybridization of all the 4 carbon atoms. Come on, this is easy. Yes, Charan? Niranjan? Hybridization of all the 4? Okay, let's take one by one. Please tell me hybridization of the first one. First carbon. Hybridization of this carbon. Please tell me. So are you finding it difficult to calculate the hybridizations? Yes, Charan. Is it difficult to calculate the hybridization here? Should I tell, maybe remind once more how to calculate hybridization? I'm not able to hear anybody's voice. Is anybody able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So please tell me, should I tell you again, people again, how to calculate the hybridization in case you have forgotten it?
Yes, sir.
All right. No harm in revising, but you have to tell me that, sir, we have, we should a little bit revise it. Okay, let's check. Now, if supposingly, this is a molecule. This type of molecule can be easily represented by, let's take one more and let's add one more carbon to it. This is propene. The structure which I have made is of propene. Okay. Now in this propene, I wish to calculate 1, 2 and 3 hybridizations. Hybridization of 1, 2 and 3 carbon. So the first carbon atom is having the hybridization of
sp3.
No, sp2. Why? Because
sigma.
yes, 3 sigma bonds. 3 sigma bonds are there. 3 sigma bonds are there. And the other one was pi. And the other one was pi. LP is 0. Lone pair is 0 on carbon. That you all know up till now. That you know. So sigma are 3, therefore sp2. Now let's check. Let's check the hybridization of the second carbon atom. Please calculate the number of sigma bonds.
Sir, sp2.
sp2.
Yes, this is also sp2. Why? Because again the number of sigma bonds are 3. You can see one with the H, this H, one with the carbon, this carbon, and one with this carbon. Okay, so 3. So again sp2. Now third one, please check
sp2.
the. Yes, please.
sp2.
No, I have made a mistake in making the third carbon. One more hydrogen was there. Please tell me.
sp3.
sp3.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. sp3. Yes, it is. sp3. Why? Because 4 sigma bonds are present on the third carbon atom. Okay, so this is how we calculate it. Now, let's take the figure at hand. Now, let's check this carbon atom, original carbon atom. In this carbon atom, let's clear this picture a little bit and attach the hydrogens as well. Okay, because you might be getting confused due to hydrogen. I have not placed hydrogens here. So it's always better to place hydrogens. Okay. So this is a carbon atom, and to this carbon, 3 bonds are visible right now. Okay. In front, we can see the 3 bonds. Which are the 3 bonds? 1, 2, and 3. So the fourth one is with hydrogen. Okay. Now you can tell me this particular carbon. Let's number it 1. First carbon.
Sir,
1C.
sp2.
sp2. Correct. This 1C is sp2. That is correct, because 3 sigma bonds are there. That is correct. Now, let's check this second C. Second C. Please tell me about second C.
Sir, sp3.
Yes, it is sp3. It is sp3. That is correct. Let's write down sp3 here. It is sp3. Why? Because 4 sigma bonds are present, as you can see. Okay. Here, let's call it 3C.
Sir, sp3, sp2.
sp3.
Yes, again sp3. Now you are able to tell me correctly. sp3, sp2. Now, please tell me, is this molecule planar? Can this be planar? Come on. Can this be planar?
No, sir.
No. Why can't it be planar? Because sp3 is not a planar hybridization.
Tetrahedral, right?
Yes, sp3 is tetrahedral carbon, which is out of plane, and hence it cannot be a planar molecule. All right. So that is how we calculate the planarity. Okay. So planarity part, you have to work it a little bit. Please write it down if you have to. And then do the same thing with this second molecule. We are very much interested in learning how to calculate the planarity. Only simple planarity, not complex planarities. I mean, examples can be very, very complex dealing with the planarity, but we are working with the simple planarity. So simple planarity can easily be calculated. Please calculate all the 3 parameters with the second structure. Go ahead, please. And let me tell you, this will help you a lot.
Sir, it is not,
Aromaticity. Yes, go ahead.
it is not planar.
Correct. Second structure is not planar. Why?
Because that नीचे वाला carbon that has sp3 hybridization.
Okay, let's number the carbon atoms as well. So it's easy for you people to tell me. So this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon.
Fourth carbon,
Fourth carbon is
tetrahedral.
tetrahedral. Fourth carbon is sp3. Please check. Please check. Fourth carbon is sp3. What about the other carbons? 1, 2, 3, and 5?
sp2. sp2.
Yes. Yes, they are sp2. All are sp2. All are sp2. Okay. So it cannot be planar for sure, because fourth is sp3. sp3 is tetrahedral, which is not at all planar. So the molecule cannot be planar. Okay. What about the other conditions? 4n plus 2, pi rule. What about that?
Sir, anti-aromatic is being satisfied
Pardon?
by 4n pi electron. Not 4n plus 2 is not satisfied.
Yes, 4n plus 2 rule is not satisfied. Why? Because 2 pi electrons, we are talking of this second structure. 4n plus 2 electrons, in 4n plus 2 electrons, you know, either 2 electrons or 6 electrons, then 10 electrons, and so on. Okay, these are only valid. You can easily calculate it. How? By putting the value of n as 0, 1, 2. For 0, 2 electrons. For 1, 6 electrons. For 2, it is 10 electrons. So, in the second structure, the number of electrons are only 4. and hence it is not following the 4n plus 2 pi rule. Okay. All right. What about conjugation in the second
They're
one?
not
Com-
conjugated.
yeah, not completely conjugated. Okay, because complete conjugation is not there. Yes.
Double, single, double, single, single, single.
Yes. Double, single, single. Two singles are written simultaneously, and hence complete conjugation is not there. Okay, partial conjugation is there, right? Partial conjugation is there, but
Yes, sir.
complete
Single, double,
conjugation,
double, single.
yeah, complete conjugation is not there. Okay, great. Now, what about the third? This one, third. Let's check first the plenarity.
So again, tetrahedral. Two structures are tetrahedral.
So 2 and 3.
Hmm.
2 and 3 are
tetrahedral.
tetrahedral, and so therefore it is not satisfied. Then it is
Yes.
forming 4n conjugate 4n pi electrons, so it is not satisfying 4n plus 2, and it
Hmm.
is not planar, and it is not in conjugation also. Single, single, single.
Yes, that is the complete answer. First of all, plenarity not satisfied. Why? Because 2 and 3 are only sp3, while the all others are sp2. 1, 6, 5, 4 are sp2. So, not planar. What about 4n plus 2? Rule. So, 4 electrons are there. So, it is not following that as well. What about the conjugation? Partially conjugated, not complete conjugation. Okay. So let
Yeah,
me
but
also tell you. Huh.
10 pi electron rule, that anti-aromatic one.
No, it is not anti-aromatic as well. Can anybody tell me why third is not anti-aromatic?
Because it is not planar.
Yes, not planar,
Conjugate.
not conjugated. Both. Not planar, not conjugated. And let me also tell you, out of these three rules, even if one rule is violated, it will not take place. It will not show the property. Okay, that is how it goes. We don't need to check all the properties, all the three. We only need to check one, but for the sake of learning, I am making you check all the properties. All right. So please check the fourth structure now. Now, fourth structure, Daksh and Niranjan are not going to speak. They have spoken. Rest of the students, like Nikhil, Charan, and Utkarsh, are going to comment upon the fourth structure. Please. Come on. Charan, Nikhil, Utkarsh, anything about the fourth one?
Sir, fifth carbon is following sp3 hybridization.
Okay, let me mark the carbon atoms for you. It will be easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Now, please tell me. Please tell the hybridizations. Utkarsh, Charan, Nikhil, hybridizations.
The sixth one is sp3.
Correct. Hmm. One, two, three, 4, 5, 7.
Sir, sixth is tetrahedral.
Correct. sp3 is tetrahedral. What about the other carbon atoms? Come on, come on. Please tell me if you are facing any difficulty. Come on. Should I explain the hybridization once more? Please speak up.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
sir, other are sp2.
Okay, let's take Nikhil and Charan's answer as well. Come on,
Yes,
Nikhil
sir.
and
Others
Charan.
will be sp2.
Okay, Nikhil's answer. Nikhil. Yes, it is
There is
sp2.
an SP2.
Yes. They are sp2. So correct. So, acha, less than 1 minute is left. Please rejoin. Just rejoin, then we'll continue.